Hey, what's up, guys? For those of you that may have forgotten your Gmail password and you're wondering how you could recover it, so this video is going to walk you through how you can actually recover your Gmail password by literally seeing it on your phone, on your mobile device, without having to change it. So I'm going to show you two methods in which you can do that. So the first method is by using Password Manager. So what you just have to do first, you have to go over to your menu section. Then you scroll down to settings, which we have here. Click on settings and then you scroll over to Google. Click on Google. You click on manage your Google account and you scroll horizontally to security. Now on this security tab, you have to scroll down and you search for Password Manager. So you click on Password Manager. Well, before we go over there, if you as you can see, you have 34 passwords saved in your Google account. So you click on Password Manager, and then this page is actually going to reveal to you all passwords that are saved on this device. All passwords that are saved on this device. So what you just do, you go over to google.com. Click on google.com. So for verification's sake, your device is going to ask you to verify. So I'm going to use my fingerprint right now, and then as you can see, it's actually, and you can see I've been granted access to my passwords on this device. For my Google account, for google.com, I have this password. So if I click on this icon, this eye icon, it's going to me password. And even on my second Gmail account, I'm also able to access the password. I can easily delete or edit it from here. Well, that's the first method. So for the second method, we're going to be accessing our password through Chrome settings. So what you have to do now, you just have to click on Chrome. When you click on Chrome, you click on this hamburger icon, this menu icon here, and then you click on settings. So when you click on settings, then you search for passwords. As you can see here, we have our passwords. So you click on passwords, and then you scroll down to here. You have your accounts.google.com. Right here I have two accounts, two Gmail accounts on this device. So what you just do, you click on either of them. When you want to reveal the password on, you just click on it, and then you'll be given an option to reveal your password from here. Click on the eye icon. When you click on the eye icon, it prompts you to verify that you're the owner of the device. So I'm just going to verify with my fingerprint, and then the password is revealed to me. So these are the two ways in which you can actually get your password, or you can get access to your Gmail password without having to reset your password. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do it to like and subscribe. And if you want to get more content I create later, if you want to get notified on more content I create later, then just click on the notification bell. Thanks and have a nice day.